If you've just run into a limit exceeded error on Telegram and you're wondering what it means and most importantly how to fix it, don't worry, you're in the right place. By the end of this quick and easy tutorial, you'll know exactly what this warning is, why it happens, and the safest way to get your Telegram access back step by step. Let's dive right in. First off, seeing a limit exceeded message on Telegram usually means you've triggered their spam protection. Think of it like their security system working to keep users safe from unwanted messages. This typically happens when you send too many messages, especially to people you don't know, or join a bunch of channels really quickly. Sometimes users worry that the year or new updates have changed things, but in 2025 the process for handling this hasn't changed. So don't stress if you're seeing this now, it's common and it doesn't mean something is wrong with your phone or your account. The good news, the solution is incredibly straightforward. It's essentially a combination of patience and, if needed, a simple appeal. We'll start with the quick part. The best thing you can do right away is get clear information about your limit, and you can do this right inside the Telegram app itself with the help of an official bot. So go ahead and open up your Telegram app. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Just type in @spam-bot. You'll want to make sure you're messaging the official one, so double-check that Telegram gives it a verified checkmark. Once you open up a chat with its spam bot, just tap Start. Now the bot will instantly scan your account and tell you if there's a restriction and, crucially, how long it will last. This might be as short as 24 hours or sometimes a few days, depending on what triggered the system. This is sort of like the bot being your direct line to Telegram support, super handy. Now let's say you haven't sent unsolicited messages or joined a suspicious amount of groups. You were just messaging friends and still got flagged. This happens. In that case, inside its spam bot, tap "This is a mistake." You'll be prompted to send a short appeal message. Here's a tip: explain your situation politely and briefly, no need for a giant essay, and then submit. From this point, a Telegram supervisor will review your appeal. You might not hear back instantly, but if they agree, your restrict could be lifted sooner. But what if the block is fair or you don't want to appeal? Here's the easy solution. For most first-time limit exceeded issues, you just have to wait out the time the bot gave you. This restriction is always temporary unless you repeatedly break their guidelines. So if it tells you 24 hours, give it a day before trying again. During this period, it's super important not to use third-party apps, hacks, or workarounds. I know it's tempting to look for a shortcut, but these almost always do more harm. They can put your account at risk for a permanent ban. It's like trying to break a locked door when all you really have to do is wait for someone to unlock it for you. Once the timer is up, everything goes back to normal automatically. You don't have to request anything extra or contact support again. If this taught you to slow down a bit with requests and group joins, mission accomplished, and that's it. Resolving a limit exceeded error on Telegram is easier than it can seem at first. Just use the @spam bot to get clarity, appeal if you need to, or most often just give it a little time. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please like the video, leave any questions in the comments. I'm always happy to help, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you next time.